this video we are going to see about the control system and what are the types involved in this control system and what is the purpose of using this control system. So first of all, what is system? System means number of elements are connected in a sequence to perform a specific function. The group thus formed is called a system. So the system, its output is controlled by varying the input quantity. The system is called control system. So nowadays the automatic control has become an integral part of modern manufacturing and industrial processes. So this is the main process of control system. It provides control on that function of any system. So the system output is dependent on its input quantity. If you are varying the input quantity, we can control the output, means that system is known as control system. So the type of control system, open loop and closed loop. So first we see about the open loop system. Open loop system, the definition here is any physical system which does not automatically correct the variation in its output. It called an open loop system. So any physical system which does not automatically correct the variation in its output is called an open loop system. So this is an example of open loop system, and we give the input and get the output here, and this output is varied by varying the input, but due to any external disturbance the system output may change. At that time the variation in input cannot followed by the output. So now we cannot control the output by varying the input. So we cannot change the output or modify the output automatically. So we give the correcting signal by changing the input manually. And next one is closed loop system, and this is an example of closed loop system. So it uses the feedback path. So the controller, it controls the error level in the output. So the part of the output is given to the feedback, and feedback it detects the error, and this controller control the output to get the desired range. So this is known as closed loop system. So this is reference input, and it consists of reference input, controller, open loop system, and also feedback path. So here advantages of open loop system. The open loop systems are simple and economical. The open loop systems are easier to construct. Generally, the open loop systems are stable. And disadvantage of open loop system is the open loop systems are inaccurate and unreliable. And the changes in the output due to external disturbance are not corrected automatically. So this is advantages and disadvantages of open loop system. So now we are going to see about the advantage and disadvantage of closed loop system. And advantage of closed loop system, the closed loop systems are accurate. So compared to open loop, the closed loop systems are accurate because we are using the feedback path to correct the error. Second point, the closed loop systems are accurate even in the presence of non-linearities. The sensitivity of the system may be made small to make the system more stable. And fourth one is the closed loop systems are less affected by noise. The disadvantage of closed loop system, the closed loop systems are complex and costlier. We include more components in closed loop system, so it makes the closed loop systems are complex and also costlier. The feedback in closed loop system may lead to oscillatory response. That means it takes too much time to reach the steady state. And next one is the feedback reduces the overall gain of the system. And fourth one, stability is the major problem in closed loop system, and more care is needed to design a stable closed loop system. Closed loop systems are more stable. It can provide stable system, but making that stability is the complex function in closed loop system.